Hi, welcome to Deepfix. As you can see in this video, iPhone 6 struck in error 56. I am going to show you how to solve this issue. Right now it is in record mode, so we have to fix it. So that we have to replace this IC, which is NFC module, and according to schematics it's named U5301RF. This is the IC, which is NFC module. This is the new one, which we have to replace here. So first of all, remove the old one. So this I am using my setup Quick 857D with the heat 380 degrees and the zero air. Don't overheat the PCB, which cause other damages. Before removing it, just shake it a little bit, that you can confirm it had heat enough. Here we go. So remove the extra lead here, so clean it properly. Be careful of other components beside. This is the new one, which we have to replace here. So this I am using the same heat, 380 degrees. Place some flux here. Place the IC in a proper direction. Make sure it had placed in a proper direction. Hold it for a while and heat up. Here we have to do the same thing. Just shake the IC a little bit, that you had confirmed it had been placed. That's enough. This is the old one. It is NFC module. The issue commonly caused by physical damage. Let's check it out. There is the LCD here, and the phone directly appears in recovery mode, so we have to restore it. Let's check it out. Here our camera is a little bit shaky. Fine. I just fast forward the video. It's a long process. Here we go. Finally it had been done. We have successfully solved the error 56 issue by replacing NFC module. Thanks for watching our videos. For more videos, subscribe our channel Deepfix.